It's almost the end of October and we have done exactly 0 decorating for Halloween. No monsters in the window and no carved pumpkins.
So that's what we're here to bring you today, an expedited version of a power carving of pumpkins event.
Now, while scrolling endlessly one night, I saw someone carving pumpkins with pressure washers, and that led us to decide, let's make this a competition.
Now the rules are, we get to use the power washer to carve the pumpkin, and that's the only thing that can carve the pumpkin. However, we may accessorize. Apparently women do that.
However we like. Now let us know in the comments who you think won this competition, and we're going to get started right after we tell you that I'm Jay-Z.
I'm Daniel.
And this is just my DIY. That was the weirdest high five. Let's go. So we decided to do a couple of practice pumpkins, and thank goodness, because this turned out to be exactly as ridiculous as it sounds.
So what's not ridiculous is safety first. You should make sure to wear some safety goggles while doing this to avoid the backlash, or should I say splash, of our 1600 PSI pressure washer.
Now, this isn't our typical video, so we're just going to let you enjoy the hilarity of this day. Don't forget to stick around to the end so you can see the results and vote. We're going to have like a whole pumpkin patch.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh man, I got inside my boot. Oh, that's gross. Oh, it's full. Oh, gross. That does not look like a star. This is why you don't freehand a pumpkin with a power washer.
Life advice from Jay-Z.
Yeah. Don't carve a pumpkin with a power washer.
Stay tuned for the next one.
It just starts spinning on you. Lovely, lovely. So we're going with nerd. Are we going like self-portraiture?
Shoot it. Straight at my pants.
Daniel, why are you peeing?
Sure.
He's actually not like throwing up much. I think he got it all out.
You look better than him. It's pales in comparison.
Release the pumpkin pressure.
But no one knew JC was a switch hitter. Ambidextrous, a southpaw. Also called sinister.
And now it's time for the big reveal. For my pumpkin, I decided to top her with a custom flower arrangement designed by me, accentuating the girly nature of my pumpkin's face.
And for mine, I let the skill, dexterity, and control stand for itself without any extra adornments.
So vote for me.
Yes, vote for her.
However,
Mother Nature's vote won.
because the pumpkins developed mold and did not make it to Halloween.
They didn't even get lit.
No! It's so gross. Okay, it's just not our year.